One of Saturn's several moons, Titan, stands out as a beautiful celestial object with fascinating potential for life. With a twist, the liquid lakes in its stunning sceneries are really filled with liquid methane rather than water. Your objective? 5 seconds of a quick dip in one of these strange methane pools. There is, of course, a catch. You must first perform a perilous landing on Titan. Prepare for the experience of a lifetime. Titan is 1.2 billion kilometers away from Earth, making it a far-off world even when it is closest to us. By starting this journey, you're committed to a 7-year trip in a spacecraft. A modern life support system and enough food are your only chances of survival in the expanse of space. After underlining the epic nature of this expedition, we go on to the captivating vista of Saturn, which serves as the backdrop for Titan's exploration. The size of Titan, which exceeds even that of Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, highlights its singularity. The only moon with liquid lakes, rivers, oceans, and the sporadic downpour is Titan, which has a dense atmosphere. Choosing a landing site, Titan's methane-covered surface makes landing there a difficult task. To prevent drowning, you must be cautious when selecting a landing location. You must choose your landing site carefully because there is no room for error. After a safe landing, it's time to start an exploration mission over this ice moon Titan. Venus may look a lot like Titan, but Titan has a friendlier atmosphere. Even without a spacesuit, locomotion is possible because of the reduced gravity. To combat the bitter cold on this far-off moon, it is strongly advised to put on a spacesuit. It can go as cold as -180 degrees Celsius. Titan's atmosphere, which is mainly nitrogen, is similar to Earth's atmosphere in composition. The similarities stop there, though. Methane makes up only 5% of the atmosphere, making breathing without an oxygen tank impossible. Survival necessitates thorough planning. Methane rain on Titan. Due to Titan's moon's lower gravity and dense atmosphere, methane rain is a strange phenomenon that descends slowly. Here raindrops fall at 1.6 meters per second, a startling contrast to Earth's lightning-fast downpour. The dive: you must take the intense cold into account as you get ready to dive into Titan's methane lakes. To keep yourself safe in this icy environment, you must wear a spacesuit. The dive: the moment of the daring dive into the methane pool has finally arrived. As you jump, the spacesuit displays its value by protecting you from the dangerous surroundings. Unexpected arrival: a visitor from the far-off year 3050 named Chase shows up unexpectedly. Chase talks about his time-traveling adventures and extraordinary capacity to survive death. Uncertainty and mystery are introduced by his presence. Returning to the dive scenario, the story picks up where it left off, exploring the properties of the methane and ethane found in Titan's lakes. The necessity of the spacesuit for protection is emphasized once more. The dive mishap: as the diver tries to descend, a shocking turn happens when the spacesuit breaks and methane reacts with the oxygen tank. Funny enough, the mission is nevertheless declared a success despite the hiccup, allowing the audience to mull over their predicament. The video ends by posing the possibility of returning to Earth or considering life on Titan, allowing open for more investigation and imagination.